my witnesses would still be alive tomorrow.
Case number
As I am saying that, my lord, there are a couple of case numbers there.
And computing system computer system SAPS
It is possible that they can go into our SAPS computers so that they would get the names and the addresses of our witnesses.
Advocate
By so saying, I am not accusing Advocate Ngomezulu, but he brought a certain case which he got into our system of a Nongoma case.
Sergeant
On top, it shows that a person that has retrieved that case is Sergeant Ngomezulu. I'm not sure if is that sergeant related to him or not. So thus I am afraid, my lord, that will others not be able to retrieve the same information as he received it as well. And I would also like to ask, when I brought that document, was it for the defense or was it for the accused?
It was for the court. Actually, I'm shocked. I'm shocked. Because that document is supposed to be perused by me first. Because I'm aware of the Intelligence Act, that certain documents are classified. I'm aware of that. I've dealt with cases like this in the past. When apartheid was applicable, where you approach a judge in chambers and the judge makes an order and reads it in chambers to the presiding advocates. But because we are so-called in a new dispensation of transparency, I made it in open court. But that document or those documents are not supposed to be seen by anybody except me first.
But
are you with me?
No.
I was trying to avoid a situation where in South Africa people and judges are accused of being bought, being captured and all that nonsense.
And I
was going to familiarize myself with that information, having regards to the Intelligence Act and protocols. And I would have decided what information, having regard to the proceedings here, has to be divulged to the councils here.
Are you
with me, sir?
Document was disclosed to my colleagues in line with what the court said yesterday, that it's only meant for the eyes of the court as well as the defense counsel.
No, but they said the accused were reading it.
Yes, well,
They got it obviously from the...
Yes.
Actually, I'm shocked, that senior counsels like this can actually behave in this matter. I'm just shocked. I explicitly said it's only for the court officials. Now you're telling me the accused are having... This gentleman is right when he says he doesn't know whether tomorrow some of the witnesses will be dead or not. Because this is, unfortunately, is a type of case we're dealing with, unfortunately, where people are said to be shot, etc., etc., etc.
But I've just asked my learned friend to give back the copies to minimize the impact that there might be, and the copies will then be...
Mr. Dumazulu, what's your view now?
My Lord, I would like to exonerate myself from...
Hello?
I would like to exonerate myself. I've never consulted with the clients or with the accused.
Where did your clients get the document? Already?
No.
Which client and which accused?
Muzi le ka mogala wa ne ba kgobakanetse mara ba ilebeletse ka mo ba sele pampiri jo ka mo
Muzi and all of them, they were...
Who is Muzi? Accused number who?
Muzi
is number 1
accused number 1, my lord.
He was reading that document.
itšera kwa ba kopana ba
He
ilebelela
took it and he went towards them, and they were all together reading the document.
Yeah. And Mr. Nesi?
My Lord, I feel a bit uncomfortable when the court says, and I'm saying this with utter respect for the court, when the court says the court is shocked that the senior counsel